got all three's attention. She's like, what is that?
Oh, it's so interested.
Oh, over here.
Oh, there's a good one.
What do you got there?
What is that, a Chucky doll or something?
It kind of looks like, doesn't it, with the hair?
How old is that thing? Looks like it's from the 80s or something.
Oh, loving it.
Are you hugging it?
Doll.
It could be.
How cute.
It wasn't George's.
Try this one.
It wasn't? It was, okay.
What's she eating that stuff, Max?
Her mama said she's very like toys.
That's too cute. I'm glad I got that one on camera.
You used to eat that stuff.
If it goes in your mouth, it's in the mouth.
You used to eat everything.
No.
It's so cute.
Max, you can only eat one at a time.
Although she'll try to eat more than one.
What is that?